Today I'm sharing the Enjoy the Journey transfer from Chalk Couture. Here's what I did. I'm using this handy laser square to make sure that I've got my bicycle centered. And today I'm going to be using the Couture black ink on the bicycle wheels and I think it's called a sprocket. Anyway, it's so easy. All you do is grab a squeegee and squeegee on the Couture ink. When it's dry, I'll be adding another layer. You can scrape off any excess ink and put it back into the container and use it later. You can do the same with the Chalkology paste also. And here you can see the crisp reveal. I love the use of these transfers because they make the pattern look so nice. After the first layer dried, I set my square to position the rest of the bicycle, and you can see what I'm doing right here, just lining it up so that the areas that I want to show, I can see through the screened area. And I'm going to be using the Couture ink. It's called Couture Teal. It could be called Refresh Restyle Teal. It's a beautiful color, and I consider it my color too. After I added the Couture Teal ink, I'm removing the transfer, and you can see the bicycle is so cute. And I heat set it with my Easy Press, and I actually wore it the same day. I just love it.